Hello, Globetrotters. Welcome to the crossroads of adventure and wisdom. Today, we're unraveling the secrets of travel essentials that will take your trip from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or preparing for your inaugural journey, these nuggets of wisdom are designed with you in mind. First on the itinerary, we delve into the golden rule of travel packing light. Believe me, your future self will be grateful. Keep it simple by sticking to the essentials. Get creative with your outfit combinations, and roll those garments to optimize space. Here's the mantra: a light backpack equals a light heart. It's all about less hassle, more fun. Moving on to the second pearl of wisdom: planning your itinerary. It's crucial to strike a balance. Know the must-see landmarks, but also make room for spontaneous adventures. Sometimes the most unforgettable moments are born from the unplanned detours, the hidden alleyways, and the off-the-beaten-path experiences. Remember, every journey tells a story, and some of the best chapters are the ones you didn't see coming. And finally, the third tip: prioritize moments over photos. Yes, capturing the scenery is important, but don't let it become your sole focus. Take time to put the phone down, immerse yourself in the moment, and create memories that will stay with you long after the trip ends. Sometimes the best view isn't on your screen, it's right there in front of you, waiting to be appreciated. And there we have it, fellow wanderers. 3 simple yet powerful tips to elevate your travel experience. If you found this wisdom helpful, feel free to show your appreciation with a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel-centered content. Feel free to share your own travel essentials in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. Until our next rendezvous, may your travels be filled with joy and wonder. #travel tips, #adventure awaits, #wanderlust.